node-locked license can only be used on a computer where Control Expert is installed. This is the most common type of license.
You have received your activation ID from Schneider Electric, either printed and sent in an envelope or sent via an email. This is an example of an activation ID. After installation of EcoStruxure Control Expert on your computer, you can run it in trial mode for 30 days without activation of the license. After the end of the trial period, Control Expert will not run unless you activate a valid license. At any time during the trial period or after the trial period, you can activate a license. To activate a license, start the Schneider Electric License Manager. Select Activate. This screen appears if you have a valid internet connection. Prompt your activation ID and click Next. After a few seconds, the Successfully Created License message appears. Click Finish. EcoStruxure Control Expert is now activated on your computer, so you can close the License Manager. You can start Control Expert. At the first start after activation of a valid license, you must select the package, small, large, or extra large, depending on your license. If you have activated a bundle of Control Expert extra large licenses with N580 safety, the extra large license package must be selected. After you close the package selector, you must then restart Control Expert. Once the activation is done, you can now use Control Expert on this computer for an unlimited period of time. If your computer has no valid internet connection or is not connected to the Schneider Electric license server, you will be able to activate by mobile phone, by web portal, or by phone. After, select Activate. This screen appears if you have no valid internet connection. You may try and connect again or choose another connection method. By smartphone, you will be able to scan a QR code through another computer that has a valid internet connection, or by a phone call to our software registration center. Just follow the instructions displayed on the screen. In case you do not want to use EcoStruxure Control Expert on your computer anymore, you can remove or return the license from this computer and send it back to the Schneider Electric license server. It is then available for activation on another computer. To return a license from a computer, start the Schneider Electric License Manager. Select the activation ID you want to return, and then click Return. Now confirm. After a few seconds, the Successfully Removed License message appears. Click Finish. You cannot start Control Expert on this computer anymore. To transfer the license to a new computer, just start the Schneider Electric License Manager on this computer and follow the steps as seen before. Select Activate. Prompt your activation ID and click Next. EcoStruxure Control Expert is now activated on the new computer. You can start it on the new computer.
Registration is optional, but is strongly recommended. Registration allows you to view all your licenses and increase the number of authorized transfers of licenses between PCs. Registration must be done only once. In most companies, a unique owner or administrator will register and manage all of the licenses.
First, create your Schneider Electric web user account on the Software Licensing web portal. Go to www.schneider-electric.com/licensing or directly click on the Earth icon on the Schneider Electric License Manager toolbar. On the Software License web portal, select Login, then click Create New Schneider Electric Web User Account. Enter your email address. This will be your user ID for your SLP account. Fill in all of the mandatory fields and validate. Once you have created your account, log in. Your email address is your account ID. Register the license in your account. If your license is registered, a message will inform you. Contact your software registration center for details.
Manage your licenses.